Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the resolution on Dune Awakening. To do it, go to Settings, now go to Display and you'll find Resolution right here. It cannot be changed if the window mode is set to windowed full screen. But if it's set to full screen or windowed, then you can change it, of course. And in full screen, if you change it, then it'll just have a lower resolution, but it'll still be on the full screen. And if you change it in windowed mode, then it'll just have a smaller window of that game, like, at some point on the display. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.